Today we're talking about ACP International handhole markers. So whenever you're marking a handhole like this, there's primarily two concerns. One of them is asset identification, who owns this, and the second concern is a safety concern, what sort of cables are inside here, whether it's something like electric cables or something like communication and fiber optic cables. So the ACP International handhole markers, they're made out of high-density polyethylene. They come in a light gray color. We have custom sizes and custom legends available. And these are applied using Sikaflex. So for the application process, we're going to put Sikaflex on here, kind of do a nice swirly pattern like this. Then we take the marker and insert it into the space. So the ACP International handhole markers, they're 1/4 of an inch thick, high-density polyethylene, and the engraving on these goes 1/16 of an inch deep. So these are available with custom legends. We have standard legends available. Reach out to our sales department or your account manager, and we're happy to put together a quote for you.